Hello, this is Anupama and Pawan, representing Workbench Projects. We are a small makerspace, a Fablab, a public laboratory, a co-working space, a prototyping space, and today added to it a cafe too. We incorporated it in December of 2013, operating out of a small garage. A soft launch took us miles ahead where the BMRCL tender was awarded to us in November 2014, and we happened to reclaim a public space right under the Ulster metro station. We've bootstrapped it over this time with 0.75 CR, completely invested by the two founders. The core team we have is Pawan Kumar, who's the founder and CEO, a chief conspirator, as one would say. I'm Anupama, the co-founder, who's also the creative head and the usher, as Pawan calls me often. We have two more members who add a great value in our system, and that is Pawan Seth, who is the systems engineer who loves machines. Mala is our lead supervisor with a keen eye for detail in the space.
As Anupama said, we are a 100% homegrown, 100% self-funded company with an investment upwards of 0.75 CR. We have been steadfast with our revenues from 2013 to 2014 to now, mounting up to 0.5 CR and counting already. Some of the highlights in our program are the number of people we have served, reached, engaged, and collaborated with. We are proud of our association with our members, makers, partners, and collaborators, which in turn is translated to revenue, with our major revenues coming from programs we conceive, propose, and execute, called as our flagship programs, apart from some of the simple things like publications, subscriptions, and services. This is the part where we say we are predicting the future or writing history. It depends how you would want to look at it. We are here to challenge the existing norms and the status quo of educational institutions, which has put engineering and MBA on a pedestal. We would like to create a new wave of makers who earlier were part of the TTIs and ITIs as apprentices to bring back the DIY culture and to become responsible innovators and consumers. Bangalore may be the startup capital of the nation, but it is heavily lopsided with just software startups. We need to set a new standard and work towards the problems in our own backyard before solving problems in others' backyard. We have to build key skill sets and channel the right talent into this creative and efficient ecosystem. Design thinking, user-centric design, human-centric design to influence centers of excellences as they shift their focus to evolve with technology and time to support ideas, projects, and programs. We need to curate the funding process for such innovations where deserving entities are given pre-seed, seed, pilot funding to quickly test and succeed. Since we are thinking global, we have to have the element of international collaboration to impact at scale. All we can say now is that the ball has been rolling for a while now. Let's make it fly. Some of our high points in this short while of operations has been overwhelming with the team that has made this happen. Imagine what we will achieve with some more funding and an expanded team for operations. We are very happy to say this today that we have attained operational stability and we have been constantly reinvesting in our space to get it to 100% completion. Our ask is simple. We are expanding and we need $1 million or $2 million in USD. This will be for expanding our operations in the current city we are in, and if we get more, we want to go statewide. We will prove this at the state level, and of course, our site is set for going pan-India.
Market opportunity is abundant as we see it. Given the STEAM program in schools, hundreds of engineering colleges in the city with UG-level academic institutions, with very few design schools in the city, declining of ITIs, TTIs, and with the coming of the Make in India campaign, moving forward is only best if we could ideate, design and prototype in India itself. Hence, makerspaces, co-working spaces, incubators and accelerators are the way to go as we see it to build the ecosystem. With commitment to responsible innovation and the space, culture, ecosystem ethos that we offer, we hope that IP and open source are the things that we will promote and made available for public at large. Collaborations, expansions, and scaling is our strategy.
Need we say more? It's time
to support us.